Little over 2 years ago, disaster struck. One of my portable hard drives, a 5 terabyte unit just like this one, it suddenly failed, and at this capacity recovery is no joke. In fact, it becomes insanely difficult because everything in here is so dense, and I thought one of my biggest and best projects ever was gone for good. But now, almost 2 years later, against all odds, and thanks to the recent AI breakthroughs, I got incredibly lucky, and most of that data, the whole project, it actually came back, which means that today I finally get to show you one of my biggest projects ever in the quality that it always deserved, in full 4K, because back then the drive failed right in the middle of the approval stage, and to even finish the video I had to download the 1080p draft version from YouTube. Yeah, that was painful. It was honestly embarrassing. The quality was poor, but despite all that, the video went on and pulled over 500,000 views, and that's something that I'm still incredibly proud of. Yeah, and now after all this time I can finally present it properly in full quality. Let's go. This is the MGRC, the Research and Development Center of Midea, one of the world's leading home appliance manufacturers. And in there, it is all about the science of transferring heat in the most efficient way. Not only are they paving the way for the future of indoor climate control solutions, but also for all sorts of other appliances, like fully automatic coffee machines, hyper-efficient dishwashers, or ultra-thin and easy-to-install refrigerators. Here at the MGRC, they are working on the newest solutions to maximize efficiency of all of their devices with sustainability and a green future in mind. To give you a short teaser, when it gets to indoor air conditioners, for a quick example, most of them are very hard to install and also very power hungry, resulting in a costly installation as well as a high electrical bill and also a large carbon footprint, of course. And these are just some of the blatant problems that the MGRC is trying to solve. And they're doing a great job, as you will see in a bit. So if you're pro-environment and for saving resources as well as your own money, but also for not sweating yourself to the brink of a heat coma on hot summer days or possibly the next heat wave, which are sadly getting more and more common, well, I think you will really like this company and their concept. So let's check it out. So here we are right at the entrance of the MGRC. So let me show you the bleeding edge of home appliance tech straight from the source. So let's get going and let's check out the R&D center in detail. Let's start here at the entrance area. Open and inviting hallways, a nicely designed waiting area with a map of all the office and factory locations of Midea, posters and images of their achievements and patents all throughout the area. Openly spaced community office areas for working and for leisure time, as well as secluded meeting rooms of the highest standard. One of the best aspects, in my opinion, are the luxurious and great looking experience rooms that feature their newest developments and appliances, not only for the looks, but also for a hands-on experience for the employees as well as visitors. But let's not get fooled by the great looks. After all, the MGRC is at the core a research center with lots and lots of labs and testing areas. But most of them are off limits for this video, since they're working on unreleased and upcoming projects that are not yet ready for the public. But as you can see, there are vast areas behind closed doors, especially designed to improve their products. But the vision of the MGRC is actually much greater than that. So let's listen to what Dr. Elmar Stumpf, the head of R&D Europe, has to say about the future of Midea.
In my point of view, innovation and sustainability are two sides of the same medal. If we are thinking about the future of our planet and the generations to come, we have to take good care of sustainability issues. This is why Midea is working in diverse aspects regarding sustainability: green production, utilization of green and recycled materials, and for sure also trying to make the best energy-saving products to bring them to the market as possible. IoT and AI will become even more important in the future. The smart home will become a normal part of our daily life. In the IFA show, we showed our EcoMaster. The EcoMaster is this AI tool where the products are predicting the utilization modes for the consumer. And in this way, we are able to even save more energy and even to make it the products even better and cater even better to the needs of the customers. And it has a lot of advantages, and for sure we are working on using those advantages to the best of our customers. For us, in the development of our products, it's very important that we are always balancing the innovations and the ease of use for the customers. In the end of the day, the products are only good if the customers are accepting it. So we need to take care of an easy-to-use and good-to-use products for the different customer groups. So therefore, one part of our innovation is for sure to make the best products to the easy use of the customers.
Now that we saw how they conduct their science, research and development, let's take a look at some of their newest products. Let's start this off with a bang. One of their hottest products to date, the Porta Split. They took the split concept and made it affordable, portable and DIY friendly. A true game changer for portable air conditioners, but let's hear about it from the expert.
So as a Porta Split, it's like the same power performance split air conditioning, but without any installation. Currently in summer in Germany, the installation cost is very horrible. The end user must pay normally 2,000 or 3,000 euro only for the installation. And normally because of the lack of the installer, normally you should wait also for some very long time to wait for installation. This is really a big potential in the market if the customer can get the split AC, the powerful AC, but without any installations efforts, it will be very successful on the market. Currently this summer we have launched this product and it's very popular and almost every end user will like it.
The Porta Split is in such demand it is hard to get. I want one myself badly, and yet in our upcoming game changer is their QHP indoor hybrid heat pump. This will shift the paradigm massively as well, so let's hear about it.
The indoor hybrid heat pump is the next product we also want to bring on the market, because normally the heat pump for a big house you must install a big outdoor unit. For most European areas, it looks very ugly. And sometimes the neighbors will also complain about the noise. In countries like Germany or Netherlands, the regulation for the noise to the neighbor is very, very strictly. This is in most cases not allowed to install the outdoor unit. In this case, we have bring out this indoor hybrid system that is heat pump with the same heating performance, with the same heating efficiency, but without outdoor unit. Additional to that, we also integrated the hybrid function. You can connect the heat pump with every types the gas boiler in your house. Sometimes the electric price goes up and goes down, and sometimes the gas price goes down and goes up. The unit will make a choice for you which price, which energy resource is cheaper and is good for you.
The MGRC also brings the spirit of innovation to their cooking appliances. So let's see what the cooking expert likes best of their newest devices.
Here at Midea in the Research Center, we also develop recipes with ovens plus microwave and also steam. One of the best innovations for me are the compact oven with 4-in-1. That means it's a baking oven with steam, microwave and air fryer. The specialty of this is you can work with all of these features in the same time and makes the cooking easier, faster, and the result perfect.
And not only is it an ingenious, super space-saving combination of different devices, but they're also using the newest tech to speed up and improve the whole cooking process.
I think for Midea, the graphene heating technique is quite special because it heats up really fast, kind of 10 times faster than the normal heating tube, and also allows better browning for roasted chicken, roast beef, and other things where you need a nice color.
And what is next to your oven? Of course, a coffee machine. And here at Midea, they're perfecting the user experience, ease of use, as well as the end result of the most important aspect, the coffee itself. Aiming for a top-of-the-line experience. So let's see how they're achieving just that.
We have 3 levels of temperature. For Northern market, higher temperature, and for Middle Europe, a little bit lower temperature. We can adjust the grinding degree for every drink. Our target is to automatize the grinder. And the idea is to have an artificial intelligence that can detect these beans and can adjust automatically in real time to this specific coffee beans. Because you know, if you go in a coffee bar barista, that the adjustment of the grinder is the key for a perfect beverage. Our system is a modern system, yes, with a really good footprint. The length and the width and the height are good designed for European kitchens. We have a pretty easy to use user interface. You see the reaction is perfect. We can adjust the size of the espresso, the strength of the espresso. We can use ground coffee directly grinded. For instance, if we have a separate grinder or if we have only ground coffee available. Another topic, what we can do, we can adjust the grinder. That means from fine to coarse. We can adjust to personal preferences, the grind degree. And now I want to present you, I do a coffee. It's more common. You see that the sound of the system is not so loud compared to competitors. We are really silent and the sound is comfortable. At the beginning was the grinding sound, then we have a pre-brewing. That is our Kaffee Crema, that's the most common drink in Germany. Yes, that's the good morning coffee for every German. And you can see it's quick delivered. Yeah, only after a short time. And then you can see that you have a good crema and your coffee is ready to drink. Really important for convenience is that our maintenance steps, everything is from the front. That means from the front you can remove the drip tray and the pommic container. And you can fill the water from the front. Here you have an inlet for water and you can directly use this in this position to fill your water into the tank. Our bean container has a light barrier. That means if the beans are empty, then you get an automatic message that you have to refill your coffee beans. Very unique for our Emax system is that the hot water is not going through the brewing unit. The hot water, for instance, for tea, has a direct channel that you have no contamination in your tea water. Very good is our beverage dispenser. It's really easy to clean. You can remove it. And then you can clean all internals under the tap. And so you have every morning a fresh system without big cleaning effort. We have cleaning programs included. Nevertheless, it's good to have easy to use manual maintenance. Here you have at the side a door. And so you can remove the brewing unit, clean it, and afterwards the machine is ready for next cup of coffee. Really easy to use, modern design, and with a full range of one-touch beverages.
And when you're all done, the plates and the cups go into the dishwasher, which, like everything else here at the MGRC, comes with special capabilities as well. We're talking A+ energy efficiency. That's actually higher than the official ranking. Yes, it blows out the top, and currently they are honing in on their hygiene products with extensive testing. So let's hear about it.
The new heat exchanger system is the latest energy-saving improvement for Midea dish care. For the first time, we are using stainless steel as a heat transfer material. The system is designed in a very compact way with a maximized heat transfer area. It provides the highest energy efficiency in dishwasher market without using heat pump technology. In addition, it is a very cost-effective system that makes saving energy affordable for everyone. With this system, we are able to recover heat energy from the wash cycle and achieve excellent heating of the water for the next phase and keep the cycle short. Here at Midea, hygiene is a very important topic for us. We approach this topic holistically. That means we have 4 certified programs. We have the ECO, the 90-minute program, the Intensive Care Plus program, and the Hygiene Care Plus program. Depending on your personal hygiene levels, you can pick the mode which fits best for you.
Here at the MGRC, they're aiming to also take the lead when it gets to refrigerators, which, similar to AC units, have massive potential in improving the ease of installation, ease of use, as well as the implementation of the newest energy-saving tech.
As Midea, we want to start a new era for built-in refrigerator, which means offer customer easiest installation experience. Some other competitors already reducing the installation steps from 150 to 130, but this is not our target. Target is just reducing it 10 steps maybe. That's why we introduced slot-in, built-in refrigerator. Slide in refrigerator into the cavity of the kitchen and then just hang the front panel to the refrigerator and finish. I also want to talk about a little bit about our 3rd generation combi, which is newly launched onto the market. So for this one, we are focusing on bigger capacity, as big as we can offer. So that's why we developed 3rd generation combi, and which is offer customer 443 liters, which is the biggest on the market. I can give you some example. The second biggest volume, which is 414 liters. The 3rd one is 410 liters. So that's why we are trying to maximize our usable volume with the 3rd generation combi. I think it is also very beneficial for the end user. As MGRC refrigerator team, we are willing to become competence center for built-in development in Midea. So that's why always we are trying to create a team here and also create a laboratory here according to this vision.
Last but not least, let's check out their newest washing machine, which of course also has their newest tech integrated. It's smart, it's efficient, and it looks amazing.
This year on IFA, Wuxi Little Swan presented a new dryer generation with a heat pump self-cleaning system. And on the other hand, our product division proudly presents a A-50 washing machine. We are from laundry division. We are adapting our products to meet the needs of our customer for small living. We are launching small washing machine units with a depth of 45 centimeters, which brings the same energy saving to our customer homes. When the remote control is activated at our washing machine, our customer gets information online recorded for energy and water saving. This leads to an eco-friendly behavior of our customer. Here we have our brand new model, which will launch in December this year. We have a user-friendly large dial. You can easily choose your most favorite program, adjust the spin, speed, the rinse, the pre-wash option, load up your load easily with this wide open door, close it and start it. Here's the large detergent drawer with a pre-mixing function. You can put here your main wash detergent, your softener and as well your bleach.
As we look to the future, Midea continues to lead the way with environmentally friendly innovations that put sustainability at the forefront of home living. From energy-efficient appliances to cutting-edge green technologies. Midea is dedicated to reduce the carbon footprint and to protect our planet for future generations. With every product, Midea is crafting a smarter, greener and more sustainable future for homes all around the world. Midea is where innovation meets a brighter, cleaner tomorrow. If you're interested in their products or want to know more about the company, then please check out all the resources in the description. It is of course all listed and linked below. And with that said, I want to thank Midea for the invitation and for the possibility to check out their research center in such detail. It was a great experience for me, and if you like the video too, well then smash that like button and feel free to ask everything that you want in the comment section below. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day and I will see you next time.
Like this video, watch these next. More high-end tech, more to expect. Enjoy this one.